Friends, how are you? Now I am going to start the second year related mathematics subject to a topic named quadratic expressions and equations. The definition, first definition is quadratic expression, an expression of the form ax square plus bx plus c, where a comma b comma c are real or complex numbers, and a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic expression. We are going to see an example. Example is 3x square minus 5x minus 1, 5x square plus 6x minus 3, etc. Let us see one more definition. Quadratic equation as like this. Quadratic equation, an equation of the form as like this: ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. The same condition is applicable here, where a, b, c are real or complex numbers, and a not equal to 0 is called a quadratic equation. We can give an example as like this: 6x square minus 7x plus 1 equals 0. The another example: 7x square minus 2x plus 5 equals 0, etc. The difference between expression and equation. Expression has not, there is no equality is 0. Here, equation has equality 0. Let us see how to find the roots of the quadratic equation. Now, we are going to find the roots of the quadratic equation. To find the roots of the quadratic equation, let us see. We have to consider the quadratic equation. Consider the equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Multiplying both sides by 4a. Multiplying both sides by 4a. What will come? Let us check. Every term multiplied by 4a. 4a into a, 4a square. First term. Second term, 4a into bx, 4a bx. Third term, 4a into c, 4ac equal to 0. Now, this can be written as 4a square plus 4a bx plus 4ac. Transpose to right side, take minus 4ac. Adding b square, adding b square on both sides. What will come? Let us see. 4a square plus equal to right side b square minus 4ac. Now we know the formula of a plus b whole square. A plus b whole square equals to a square plus b square plus 2ab. According to this formula, the left side term can be taken as like this: 2ax plus 2ax plus b whole square. 2ax plus b whole square we can write as like this: 2ax plus b whole square equals to b square minus 4ac. As like this. Listen, we have multiplied by 4a. Here 4a square x square, 4abx minus 4a equal plus 4ac. Next, 4ac transpose to right side, adding b square and 4 sides as like this. This is expanded. What will come here? 2ax whole square is 4a square x square, b square plus 2ab. 4abx will come as like this. This can be written as 2ax plus b equal to, by neglecting the square, we should take plus or minus root on right side. b square minus 4ac. The next will come as like this, the continuation of this root. These roots are, that can be written as 2ax equal to plus b transpose to right side minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. X equal to, it can be written as minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac. This 2a transpose to right side taken denominator. So the roots of the quadratic equation are, so the roots of the quadratic equation are as like this: minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a, one root. The another root is as like this: minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Now, one important thing is there here: discriminant. Let us see what is discriminant value. As like this: b square minus 4ac is called the discriminant. The discriminant of the quadratic equation. It is denoted by delta. It is denoted by delta. So delta equal to b square minus 4ac. This discriminant is useful to find the nature of the quadratic equation. One more important thing here, we can find using these roots sum of the roots and product of the roots. Let us see how to find the sum of the roots of the quadratic equation. To find sum of the roots sum of the roots of quadratic equation. Let us see how to find sum of the roots of the quadratic equation. Suppose let consider the quadratic equation. Consider the quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equals 0. We know the roots just now. We got the roots. Take one of the root is alpha. Another root is beta. Let alpha equal to minus b plus root of b square minus 4ac by 2a, and take another root beta equal to minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Let us see how to find its sum. Now the sum of the roots is alpha plus beta equals to alpha minus b plus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. Next, adding another root minus b minus root b square minus 4ac by 2a. The common LCM is 2a. Take common LCM 2a minus b plus root b square minus 4ac. Here minus b minus root b square minus 4ac minus root b square minus 4ac plus b square minus 4ac get cancelled. What is remaining? Minus b minus 2b by 2a. 2 get cancelled. What will come here? Minus b by a. Listen, one important thing here. B means coefficient of x. A means coefficient of x square. It can be taken as minus coefficient of x by coefficient of x square. In the same way we can find the product of the roots. Now let us see how to find the product of the roots of the quadratic equation. Continue.